guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to discuss a very commonly asked question, that is, when should you start preparing for judicial services exam? This is a question we get very often, and there is no correct answer for it, but there's definitely a favorable answer. A lot of students and candidates write to us, when is the right time to start preparing for judicial services exam? A lot of students write saying we're in second year or third year and we're in fifth year. Should we start preparing right now, or should we start preparing after college, or should we start preparing after getting a little bit of experience, after working in the courts or in a firm or with a lawyer? It's the right answer. The right answer is that the sooner you start preparing, the better. If you're still in college and you know that you want to pursue judicial service exam, that's amazing, that's great. It's good that you have such clear focus. It is only going to help you and give you a head start where others don't have. I will say is that if you are a college student right now and you want to prepare for judicial services exam, make sure that you don't neglect your studies, because it's important that you have a nice, clean academic record when you actually go for the interview. So, having said that, make sure that you study well for the law subjects during your college years so you have a good foundation in law. Also, if you're in second or third year or the initial years of college, if you are in a 3-year course or a 5-year course, you can start preparing for Hindi, English and GK along with your regular college studies. Don't neglect your college studies, but little by little start doing Hindi, English and GK. You can check out our books for Hindi, English and GK. What that will do is it'll give you a very nice foundation by the time you reach your final year in Hindi, English and GK. And then you can concentrate more on full-on judicial services exam preparation. So, in the initial years of your college, if you know that you want to pursue judicial services exam, do Hindi, English and GK little by little every day. And if you're already in 5th year, and now that you've decided to start preparing for judicial services exam, then in your first semester, when you still have to attend classes, then do Hindi, English and GK. And in your second semester, when you don't have to attend classes, then you can get full on into judicial services exam preparation. Point being, whenever the first moment you get when you don't have to attend classes anymore, either start coaching or start self-studying for the law subjects. And by now you've already done Hindi, English and GK, so what you really have to tackle is law and past year papers and just dive deep into it. If you start in the final year of college, the chances that you will become a judge in the next 2 to 3 years are very high, which means that you might just become a judge before the age of 25 or even less. That increases your chances of reaching high court and not retiring before that. Also, at a lesser age, when you're still in college, when you're in the final year of college, or you've just cleared college, you have lesser responsibilities and pressure, so it's easier not to get distracted and you can give your full attention to judicial services exam. Also, I would like to point it out that we've been talking throughout about students who are in college or in the final year of college or who've just finished college. If you have already finished college and you have passed a significant amount of time, it doesn't mean you have a lesser chance than anybody else who started sooner. It's good when you have a clearer target and you start soon, you get a jump start, but there is no loss in starting later also, after your college or after having worked somewhere a little while. And if you want to start preparing right now, no harm done, no time lost, and no time like the present. So start whenever you have to, whenever you can, but it's good to start as early as possible. You can start anytime, and within 1 year of good preparation and a couple of attempts, there is a very high chance that you will fulfill your dream of becoming a judge, and it can be done at any age. If you like this video and you have any such questions you would like to know the answer to, feel free to leave them in the comments. And on that note, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you get notified of new videos every week.